This is the end, the conclusion paragraph. Despite what you may think, a conclusion paragraph is in some ways the most important paragraph of your entire essay. It is certainly the most memorable paragraph since it is the last one. Therefore, it is important to save the best for last. While you may have learned to use the last paragraph to summarize your points, this is not an effective strategy in an argument for meaning. Restating points does not go far enough in an academic essay. Instead of restating your ideas, use the last paragraph to draw the deeper or wider conclusion from all of the points made in the body paragraphs. For example, a conclusion paragraph on the snowman might begin, "To have a mind of winter, therefore, is to embrace the paradox of existence, the interplay of presence and absence we all experience as transient beings." Notice that I did not use the phrase, "in conclusion." Avoid this worn-out expression. So, what is the upshot, the deeper significance, the big takeaway? Tie the body paragraph points together here and draw a final conclusion about meaning. A conclusion is not a restatement of your thesis, but an elaboration upon it. In other words, you may explain the greater significance of your argument. Imagine the reader asking you, "So what does this amount to?" Give your reader a clearer sense of why your particular argument for meaning matters. For example, it could amount to this. Stephen's poem invites us to reflect on our ability to perceive nothingness. If we can grasp the paradox that nothingness exists, are we not, in a way, nothing ourselves? As you conclude your essay, return to your hook or opener. Create a sense of closure by returning to the hook and, without merely repeating it, reflecting back on its idea. In this icy poetic mindscape, we can do more than imagine how the snowman feels. We can, in the breath of a single sentence, enjoy our own nothingness. Well done! You've watched 3 videos on the structure of the academic essay using the example of poetic analysis. This is not the only advice I will give you, but it's a start.